Did you know the first successful landing on another planet was not on Mars but on Venus by a Soviet spacecraft called Venera 7? Yes, that's right. Venera 7 holds the honor of being the first spacecraft to land successfully on another planet. This remarkable journey began on August 17, 1970, with a mission objective to gather and send back data from Venus. A truly remarkable feat considering the distance traveled was over 60 million kilometers. A journey of over 60 million kilometers was about to begin. Venera 7 embarked on its epic journey towards Venus from Baikonur Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. The world watched in awe as this marvel of human ingenuity roared towards the heavens, breaking free from Earth's gravitational hold. The launch sequence was a symphony of science and engineering, with every component working in perfect harmony. The rocket engines ignited, propelling Venera 7 on its ambitious voyage, a journey that would take it millions of miles away from home. The spacecraft itself was a testament to human innovation. Encased in a heat-resistant titanium shell, Venera 7 was designed to endure the brutal conditions of Venus. This wasn't just any ordinary spacecraft. It was a robust explorer, ready to face the harsh atmosphere of our celestial neighbor. The journey to Venus wasn't a simple jaunt through the cosmos. It was a complex ballet of precise navigation, covering a vast distance. Every calculation, every maneuver had to be perfect. There was no room for error. The team behind the mission constantly monitored the craft, making necessary adjustments to its course, ensuring it stayed on track. But the challenge didn't end there. Venus, with its scorching temperatures and crushing atmospheric pressure, was a formidable adversary. The heat and pressure on Venus are enough to crush and melt most earthly materials. Yet, Venera 7 was built to resist, to survive, and to explore. After a 3.5-month journey, Venera 7 reached its destination. On December 15, 1970, Venera 7 made its descent into the Venusian atmosphere. The spacecraft, a marvel of human ingenuity, braved its way through a thick veil of clouds, not knowing what awaited it beneath. It was like a blindfolded explorer plunging into the unknown, armed with nothing but a hope to survive and a thirst to discover. The descent was no less than a suspenseful thriller. Each second was a battle against the intense heat and pressure that could easily crush the spacecraft. But Venera 7 was resilient. It withstood the harsh conditions, and in a feat of extraordinary endurance, it landed on the surface of Venus. The landing was a triumph, but there was no time for celebration. The real task was yet to begin. Venera 7 started transmitting data back to Earth. For 23 minutes, it sent invaluable information from a world that had been shrouded in mystery until then. The data received was eye-opening. It included temperature and pressure readings that painted a vivid picture of Venus's hellish conditions. The surface temperature was hotter than an oven, and the pressure was akin to being half a mile under the sea. This was our first real glimpse into the harsh reality of Venus. Venera 7's mission was a short but significant one. It had made its mark in the history of space exploration. Its legacy, though brief, echoes through the ages, reminding us of our first successful touchdown on the fiery planet of Venus. Venera 7's journey was not just a mission, it was a pioneering venture that changed the course of space exploration. This audacious undertaking by the Soviet Union didn't just make history, it paved the way for the future, opening up new avenues of knowledge and exploration. Venera 7's mission was significant for many reasons. First and foremost, it was the first successful landing on another planet, Venus, a feat that had never been accomplished before. It provided us with our first real contact with the alien and extreme environment of Venus, a world shrouded in mystery and intrigue. The mission's success sparked a wave of inspiration, igniting a passion for space exploration that has persisted for decades. It showed us that the seemingly impossible was within our grasp, that we could reach out and touch the stars if we dared to dream big enough. Venera 7's influence is still felt today. It set a precedent for future missions, creating a blueprint for interplanetary exploration. It showed us the challenges we could face and, more importantly, how to overcome them. It taught us to expect the unexpected, to prepare for every eventuality, and to always hold on to the spirit of discovery. Venera 7, the first successful interplanetary lander, set the stage for the exploration of our cosmic neighborhood. It reminds us that the boundaries of our knowledge and exploration are only limited by our courage and imagination.